Hey, this is Scott, and this is the '69 Mustang project. I'm troubleshooting right now. What happens when I turn the ignition key off is that it continues to run, not dieseling, just that the engine continues to run for a few seconds. I'm pretty sure I have figured out the problem. When I put the fan in, electric fan for the motor, I did not use a relay. Therefore, what happens is you turn the key off and there's electricity being generated by the fan still spinning, which goes into the system. So I'm going to add a relay to the fan, and we will see if it solves the problem. Okay, I was able to put the relay in for the electric fan. Let's turn it on and see if it turns off correctly now. Beautiful. Problem solved.